Hey everyone, today we're going to dive into reconciling multi-currency transactions in Xero, especially if your base currency is Australian dollars. So handling foreign currencies can feel tricky, but I'm going to break it down so it's super straightforward. So first, let's make sure your multi-currency feature is enabled. So in Xero, this is usually found under settings. Then you're going to have to go to currencies. So from here, you should be able to see a list of currencies you deal with. And Xero automatically pulls in daily exchange rates, which is a huge time saver. So next, when you get a foreign currency invoice or bill, Xero will then show it in the original currency and also display the Australian dollar equivalent. So this is key because you need the Australian dollar value to reconcile your accounts properly. Now head over to your bank account in Xero. So from there, you should be able to see the foreign currency transactions alongside your Australian dollar transactions. So when reconciling, Xero tries to match the invoice or bill with the bank transaction. And if the accounts don't line up exactly, that's usually because of the difference in the exchange rates. Now here's the trick. Xero automatically posts currency gain or loss adjustments to your account so your books stay accurate. So all you need to do is simply check that the amounts that have been matched make sense and confirm the reconciliation. And a quick tip, if you deal with multiple currencies regularly, simply reconcile them often, maybe weekly instead of waiting until the end of the month. So this keeps small discrepancies from piling up and makes reporting way much easier. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.